But Lucy, we're the future of footwear for feet. 3D printing so it's customized for your fit, your style, at a low cost. We can make it vibrate as well.
I'd like to say, first of all, that this is so exciting because selling a sex toy is hard, but in Silicon Valley it's an even harder sell because it is a male-dominated industry. So thank you so much for voting. And as I said before, Vibeze is the first wearable smart vibrator that brings fantasies to life through an immersive pleasure experience. We've created a Bluetooth connected vibrator that you can put in your panties, control hands-free via the app, and it syncs with our in-app purchases of storybooks like 50 Shades of Grey. We could possibly integrate this as a massager into a shoe.